Hey, it's Chris here in weird Oklahoma summer. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the 3rd of July, getting a thunderstorm and a little bit of hail. Doesn't quite know what it wants to do. I'm going to get underneath the panels here and show you. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? You hear that banging? I really don't know if that's hail or if that's big raindrops, but it's just ting, ting, ting sounding. But this is the weirdest damn spring we have ever experienced in this state. I don't know if you can see my redneck shower. I just put a hose in the tree. Whatever works. Because it was hot. Looks like I got a leak going through here, so I'm going to move this over here so that drip from the solar panel will get on the plant there. Intense weird. There's a bird there in the birdhouse saying, "Screw this noise." Strange weather. What is that, Coco? What is that? What are you seeing? Coco? What? What? Cat's even freaked out. They sense stuff, you know, animals know what's going on. She's hiding. Wow, very strange. Look at that formation there. I'm going to try to get up a little bit more. That is intense. I need to take a picture of that. Alright, take care. And we'll see you later. Wow.